Hey everybody, it's Jonathan with AMADAS, and I want to show you guys how we check for combine loss behind our machinery. What you saw me do was take one of our AMADAS loss pans. It's actually a loss pan that you can buy through us. I threw it behind the machine, and as it traveled over, it discharged out on top of it. Everything that's on top of this pan is what went through the machine and was separated out. So you want to look for any good kernels, any good peanuts. Got to be careful, sometimes a good peanut will actually be an immature. So right there, that's showing no loss on our board. But if you did have a loss, say for example, you have one peanut, and say this is a single peanut. So this is a lone kernel. One kernel is equal to 27 pounds an acre loss in runners on this pan. So it's a really great way for us at AMADAS to gauge our performance in the field while we're tuning on it and adjusting. Something that we welcome our customers to do for themselves. We're proud of what our machines are capable of and the kind of productivity that you can get from them. So I just want to show you guys again how we check for combine loss the AMADAS way, and wish you all a safe and happy harvest.